Good Saturday morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to the 99th episode of What Every Cruiser Wants. You believe we've been doing this 99 times?
No.
You'd think by now people would go, we should stop making these kinds of comments. But nope, they sure haven't. And today we're back with 3 new comments today. And today we're going to be talking about doors and ducks.
Doors and ducks.
Doors and ducks. Just something about doors and ducks. It just bothers some folks out there. So let's get into today's comments. So our first comment today, we're going to start off with talking about doors, particularly cabin doors and people that like to decorate their cabin doors. Look, I don't know why this one bothers people the way that it does. Some people like to decorate their cabin doors. Other people do not want to decorate their cabin doors. Really seems simple. It's just a choice. If you like it, you do it. If you don't like it, you don't do it. Some people use it to say, hey, I can find my room easier.
That's why I do it.
Other people use decorations that other people do and go, hey, I know my door is next to this door. Seems like it's just, a personal choice kind of thing. You're on your cruise. You paid for your vacation. You want to decorate your door, decorate your door. But no. Not everybody agrees with that. Apparently it pisses people off. If you won't do the classy move, then ban those tacky door displays. You said they bring joy to everyone. Brainless answer. No passenger has the right to use public space, and the outside of your door facing a hall is public space to decorate, advertise, etc. This is why blank is a better, more classy cruise line. With door decorations and ducks, your ships look more like the Brimfield Flea Market.
At least they didn't make fun of anybody.
What do you mean?
Normally they'd make fun of John or...
Well, they pretty much did. They said he gave a brainless answer because he said, there's people that this brings joy to. Look, I get it. I mean, obviously that's a brainless answer. So people go to the store, they buy these decorations. They pack them with them on the cruise ship. They hang them on their door. But they get no joy from it, according to this person. No joy. They don't like it. They're not happy about it. And saying that they're happy about it, well, that's brainless because obviously this person doesn't like it. And those who decorate their door have made the cruise ship look like a flea market because it's no longer classy. Again, I'd like to say it. I've said it before. We're talking about Carnival Cruise Lines. It's the fun ships, not the stick up your behind ships. All right? If you want to decorate your door, you decorate your door. Have a little fun with it. Obviously, be tasteful. Obviously, be respectful. And for all the doors I've seen, I can't think of one that I've ever walked by and go, oh my God, that's so rude and disrespectful. Usually it says happy anniversary, happy birthday, first cruise, family vacation. Usually it's something along those lines. They're not rude, they're not disrespectful. It's fun. People enjoy it. Tiffany enjoys it. You guys have seen the videos.
I think I had more fun decorating other doors.
Yeah. And then it goes on to say, well, this other cruise line, they don't allow it because they're classy. I don't know what cruise line that is. It's not one of your mainstreams because you can decorate on Royal, you can decorate on Carnival, you can decorate on Disney Cruise Lines. It's got to be one of those higher up ones, those more luxury brands. Yeah, I'm sure maybe they have the rule. And if that's what you prefer, go cruise there. Quit trying to change the rules on fun ships because you don't like something. If you don't like decorating the doors, don't do it. If you don't like the way other people decorate the doors, don't look at it. That's really the easiest way to put it. Stop putting your dislikes on everybody else and saying because it doesn't suit you, it obviously doesn't suit anybody else. Comment number 2. Now we've talked about doors, and now we're going to talk about ducks because they mentioned the ducks in the first one, Decorated doors and ducks make your cruise ship unclassy. So let's roll with that theme and let's talk about ducks. We've talked about ducks in other videos. I'm pretty sure a majority of people are familiar with the cruise duck. You bring them on board, you hide them around the ship. People find them, people hide them, people collect them, including crew members. Mm-hmm. Believe it or not, crew members are known to collect some ducks. They are known to have duck collections going on in their cabins. Because you know why? Crew members are people too.
Yes, they are.
Okay, they like to have fun too. They like to be a part of the excitement, part of the joy of the ducks for those that want to participate. Not everybody does. I get it. You don't like them, you don't touch them. But have you ever brought ducks on board the ship and said, I'm going to hide these ducks? But I'm only hiding these ducks for a certain group of people. Only this group of people is allowed to find my ducks. If you're a crew member, though, don't touch my ducks if you're a crew member. Because you obviously, I guess crew members aren't people.
No.
Crew members can't have fun. Crew members aren't people. And according to this passenger, that's kind of the feeling that I get. Why are staff allowed to take the ducks that guests hide for other guests? I don't care either way, but it's discouraging when you're spending your money to hide and guests know it because you're telling guests on posts that you are hiding them. I know a lot of guests coming off the breeze this past week weren't happy that they didn't find any. So I got a couple problems with this comment. First of all, why are the crew members allowed to take them? Well, you know what? Because they're people too. How about that? They're people.
I've seen them hidden especially for.
Yeah, there's some people that hide them for the crew members. You ever actually looked at the crew? Okay? Majority of the crew seem like they're younger folks. Mm-hmm. They're younger people. So a little duck collection, a little something, maybe a little something to spruce up their cabin is that really a bad thing? Okay? And this comment goes on, it kind of reads like this person isn't even one of the people that hides the ducks. They read a post talking about people talking about ducks and that they came off a ship and they weren't finding ducks. Tiffany actively hunts for ducks and we've gone on cruises and not found ducks. I don't think that means that the crew members took them all.
No.
Maybe it does. And honestly, if the crew members took them all and they're in their cabins and the crew members are smiling and happy, you know what? I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
If we hide ducks and the crew members take them all, I'm okay with that. Just for this person right here, just for the person that wrote this comment, I say you take ducks on the next cruise and only give them to crew members.
I like that.
That is my homage to this comment, is we will only give ducks to the crew members on our next cruise. Because I like crew members. But it really reads to me like a person who just read something on Facebook and decided they were going to write in a comment and somehow want to exclude the crew, talking about, oh, well, we spent money on these ducks. Yeah, you spent money to hide ducks on a ship and people found them.
Yeah.
Does it really matter which people it was? Now, for our third comment, we're going to stick with ducks.
Okay.
Now, this isn't about hiding ducks. This is about the little tags that go on ducks. And after I read this comment, I have a question because I'm wondering, are we guilty? Think about this. I'm wondering, are we actually kind of guilty of this? But this person right here, not only do they want to hide ducks, they want to use the ducks to advertise. They're upset that they were told that they can't advertise and solicit for their business by using cruise ducks. Can't hide ducks with little business cards on them, and it kind of pissed them off, I guess. Perplexed and angered with your answer to blank. Why can't we put business cards with the ducks we hide on every cruise? Our card reads, you are in luck, you found a duck. Keep or hide, you decide. This is on our business card with details for our business, which is a blank and blank. Where is the harm in this? Why does every cruise line but yours allow us to give the gift of laughter with the ducks we hide and get no return for doing this? All right, so they want to put a business card on there soliciting a business. It is very specifically in cruise line rules, you cannot solicit business on board the ship. So when this was asked, Carnival Cruise Line said, no, you cannot do this because you're not allowed to solicit on the ship. It falls under those particular rules. Okay, so that's why they say no business cards. Okay, I get that. I completely understand that, and that's fair. Mm-hmm. You don't want people selling stuff and everything like that. Even though, let's be honest, even if it was business cards, they're going to go right in the trash.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I've never looked at a duck and go, ooh, let me look and see if this has a business card on it. Because, yeah, I'm sure I'm going to call that. You're interested in the duck. That's just my opinion, though. But the last line of this kind of gets me. It says, what is the harm? We're out there filling people with laughter by hiding these ducks. But we get no return for doing this. No financial return? Is that what they're talking about? Because if you hide ducks and people find ducks and they're happy they found ducks,
there's your return.
There's your return, right? Yeah. You made somebody happy, there's your return. If you give them to some crew members and they're excited, that is your return. To me, I thought that was the point of the ducks. And when you find a duck, you get excited. Yeah. Tiffany gets excited. I found a duck. And she's really excited. That is the return that you get for hiding the ducks. This person sounds like they are looking for a financial return. And if that is your reason for hiding the ducks, then I completely agree. You should not be allowed to attach business cards.
Yes.
But now here comes my question. So we have a YouTube channel. Technically, we make money doing this. Technically, we are a business.
Yes.
So if we put the tag on the duck that has our logo and says, hey, come check out our YouTube channel, come over to our Facebook page, post a picture, are we advertising a business? Are we wrong in technically violating the policy by putting that tag on the duck?
Depends on how you do it. Now, last time we hid ducks, we put High Seas Cruising. We did not put anything else. We didn't say, come subscribe, come do this.
But we do tell them to come post pictures, to bring them to our social media, which directs them to all of our other stuff.
So does everybody else's ducks. If you look at it, it says post on pictures on
Maybe we're
Facebook.
splitting hairs here, but I think, are we all technically borderlining that particular policy?
We are.
You know, we could sit here and judge this person on their business cards, but in truth and fairness, I gotta ask the question, am I actually guilty of something pretty similar?
Pretty similar, yes. I would say yes.
And maybe we need to then consider changing our tags. That way we're not hypocritical against people that write these kind of comments. It wasn't for the purpose of saying we're attaching our business card, but yeah, it was to drive interest and bring people back to our channel. And is that not the same thing? That's actually going to be my question on that one for today. I mean, we got all the comments. What do you guys think about decorating doors? Do you think it makes cruise ships trashy? I don't. I think it should be let live and let live. I think if you want to decorate, you decorate. If you don't want to decorate, you don't decorate. I've said it in so many videos recently. Try minding your own damn business. If it's not your door, don't worry about it. Okay? If you don't want to decorate, don't decorate. If your neighbor wants to decorate, someone down the hall decorates, 3 people, 2 decks up want to decorate, leave them alone. They are not affecting your cruise. If people want to hide ducks for other people to find, they are not hurting your cruise. If crew members want to find ducks and collect them because, you know what, maybe they're just all kids at heart like the rest of us, they're not hurting your vacation. And the final question, and I think the important one, at least for me this week, are we all actually violating the no solicitation policy by putting tags on ducks? This one's kind of got me thinking a little bit that maybe I'm guilty. You guys, let us know what you think in the comments below about all of this that we've talked about today. All right, and that's going to be our video today for what every cruiser wants. Like I said, let us know in the comments below what you guys think. Are these people right? Are these people wrong? Are we breaking the rules? That's the one I'm curious about. But if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always,
we'll see you out on the high seas.